Hello guys, subscribe to Jacob Yanko 4221's YouTube channel and click the bell button for more videos.
Today's episode is
The Four-Tone Man and Jerry the White Dog takes the service elevator /arrested/grounded.
and it was requested by PokeGamers 9185. And this means it was inspired by WeatherStar 4000 video. There's the service elevator, let's take a ride. Okay, the Four-Tone Man, let's ride it when the people won't cut up. Let's go up to the 15th floor. Okay, the Four-Tone Man, let's take a ride.
Intruder alert, 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 intruder alert.
Oh no! We're busted. I think we took the wrong elevator. I know, the Four-Tone Man, we're in so much trouble. Freeze, you two. You both are under arrest for taking the service elevator. You two are going to jail. Come with me right now. Now. This is your cell. Both of you get in there right now.
The Four-Tone Man. Jerry the White Dog.
We all can't believe you took the service elevator and got arrested. That's it. You both are grounded for 692 months.
But we're sorry.
No, your sorry isn't going to work. When you both get out of jail, you will receive punishments.
We are all leaving now. We will see you whenever we see you. Goodbye. Well, it looks like we're stuck in jail for a long time. This is the worst day ever. I know, Jerry the White Dog. Can our lives get any worse than this?